The first time you spend a night in the air, everything changes. More and more campers are agreeing that getting off the ground is the only way to camp. Introducing the Arial A-1 by Opiongo. What makes the Arial so special is its stable, elevated platform. Unlike a hammock, the Arial stretches out tight, creating an extremely comfortable sleeping surface. The space inside is spread open, flat, free of any pressure points, giving you room to stretch out and sleep in any position, back, side, or even front. The main feature that allows the Arial to achieve its exceptional comfort and stability is our unique slackline suspension system. The suspension system works by having two high tensile webbing straps set up on either side of two trees. The webbing is then expanded using two aluminum spreader bars. To get the surface tight, a simple 3-to-1 purchase system is used, utilizing climbing grade components which provide a hassle-free setup that takes only minutes. This setup creates an extremely strong, stable surface using only two trees. The Arial tent is designed to be the most versatile shelter ever. It spans over any terrain, rocks, roots, or even rivers. There's no need to find a dry spot or level ground. Pitch your tent between the trees and sleep like a baby bird. But if no trees are available, don't fret. The floor seams are sealed and the Arial can simply be set up on the ground like any other tent. Take your outdoor adventure to new heights.
Gaining weight, losing shape, looking and feeling older than you really are. Experts agree, resistance training is the best way to get lean and fit. But who has time to visit the gym? And free weights are big, bulky, and can even injure you. Introducing the Oyo Personal Gym, the proven way to transform your body with Spiroflex technology.
The Oyo Personal Gym. This one piece of equipment provides the same benefits as all these weights. Just add flex packs rated at 5 or 10 pounds by snapping them on like this. Spiroflex resistance isn't jarring like free weights, but I can really feel the resistance. Look at the muscles firing in my arms.
Used by NASA astronauts on the space station, Spiroflex creates resistance without weights. And the Oyo Gym's double flex activation provides 2 exercises in each movement, building a balanced body in less time. With the Oyo Personal Gym, you can now fit fitness into your lifestyle to achieve a lean, sculpted body in the convenience of your own home. Fitting in an exercise break at the office, while traveling, walking on a treadmill, or even outdoors.
I didn't expect maybe the resistance to be quite as tough as it was. So you're able to fire many muscle groups at once, and I can squat and do a chest fly, chest squeeze. You're just able to do endless amounts of exercises.
As we age, we lose bone and muscle. We start to stoop, and the aches and pains begin. That's why strength training is so important. It's the key to living a full life that allows you to keep pursuing your passions. Meet Andy. With the Oyo Personal Gym, he's turned back the clock and can continue to compete in his favorite pastime. Full of energy, strong, limber, and free of pain.
With the Oyo Personal Gym, I've not only increased my muscle, but I've increased my flexibility. So I lost 17 pounds and I gained muscle mass. I have it next to me at my desk at work. I have it in my golf bag. I use it at the driving range to warm up with, to stretch with. It comes everywhere. I use it all day long. It really helped me in my golf game. It's lowered my scores. I outdrive all my friends by 20, 30 yards.
The Oyo Gym strengthens and shapes your chest, back, arms, core, and legs. And we know it works. A 16-week NASA study proved that Spiroflex resistance increased muscle strength and size as much as working out with free weights.
When I returned to Earth after using Spiroflex technology almost every day over 6 months, I was physically stronger in every test.
The Oyo Personal Gym is different. First of all, because it's serious. It really works. It's so intuitive. You squeeze and you pull. And as long as you're paying attention to your body, you're going to see results.
Spiroflex builds lean muscle, and the more lean muscle you have, the faster you'll burn fat.
I lost 21 pounds in 10 weeks. I went from size 36 to size 34, which I haven't worn since college.
Are you sitting there watching me right now, and a voice inside your head is saying, I know I need to do something about my weight now? The Oyo Personal Gym is the answer you've been waiting for to get in the best shape of your life.
If I'm on the go, at home, can't get to the gym, weather's bad, I need to get a workout going on inside my home, I mean, this is where I'm going to go to.
Mostly, it's challenged me in the aspect I don't have excuses not to work out.
Now it's your turn to lose weight, look younger, get stronger, and feel amazing with the Oyo Personal Gym. You'll get a free membership in the Oyo Fitness Club that includes our premium workout programs, including Nick's 10-week challenge. Act now and also receive 25 pounds of resistance. You'll also receive the leg and door attachments, a wall chart showing all of Nick's 75 total body exercises, and a nutritional guide that shows you how to lose weight while still enjoying the foods you love. The Oyo Gym has been torture tested and built to last with commercial-grade high-strength polymer and nylon-coated stainless steel cables. You get a 3-year, no-questions-asked warranty. Experience the Oyo Personal Gym for 30 days. If you don't love it, send it back for a full refund. There's no risk. Order the Oyo Gym right now and achieve your health and fitness goals with the same proven fitness technology used by NASA astronauts on the space station.
Let's go, Oyo!
Once upon a time, phones mostly did this. But for the past 10 years, our phones have gotten super smart, and now they do this, 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 and this. Yet, in that same 10 years, our phones have gone from here to here. Physical usability has not changed, and so all too often, we find ourselves suffering from this, and this. So, we made this, the Osnap Grip. The thinnest, most durable, and most powerful phone grip ever. And just like that, it's there when you need it and not when you don't. Sure, you can use your phone like this, but the Osnap Grip makes your phone better. And because it's quick and easy to slide your finger in the loop with one hand, you'll save yourself from a whole lot of this. It also rotates, so you always get the angle that works for your unique style. And unlike other grips, we made ours compatible with wireless charging. But that wasn't good enough, so we took wireless charging to the next level with SnapCharge, our magnetic wireless charger. It's designed to be where you need it, when you need it. It finds and aligns itself to the optimal charging spot, so you'll never have to deal with this anymore. This is the missing link we've all been waiting for, made possible by making it incredibly slim. So say goodbye to this. And for those times you want to do this, but it keeps doing that, we gave it a multi-angle kickstand. And because it's magnetic, it'll stick to this, 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 or even this. Because it shouldn't be so hard to stick your phone wherever you want it. The steel ring that attaches to the back of your phone secures the grip with confidence while also protecting your phone from the magnets inside. The Osnap Grip was designed to make life with your phone happy, productive, and carefree, and we want that for everybody, which is why it works with all phones, all cases, and all hands. So no matter what, this grip is for you. I'm Dale Backus, founder of Ohsnap and creator of the Osnap Grip. We're a small team obsessed with building the most beautiful, functional, non-annoying phone accessories in the world. Our first campaign was a success, but after shipping thousands of units, we realized we could do better. We're building an ecosystem of amazing products with this phone grip at its center, and this is just the start. For the price of a few lattes, you can hold, mount, stand, and secure your phone better than ever. So if that sounds good to you, and you're ready for a better smartphone experience, then back us today.
There are lots of ways to cook on a sheet pan, but they're often wasteful or messy, and not everything takes the same amount of time to cook. We knew there had to be a better way. Introducing Cheat Sheets, a completely new approach to sheet pan cooking. Oven-safe non-stick silicone dividers that will streamline your cooking and divide your ingredients to make one-pan meals a breeze. With Cheat Sheets, you can separate your foods by cooking time, so that you can easily remove ingredients when they're ready and never overcook them again. We've also created an easy timing guide, so you'll get great results every time. They're also perfect for meal prep, letting you cook all of your ingredients with better control and greater efficiency, and buying multiple sets lets you mix up your meal prep and keep it interesting. But it's not all about healthy eating. You can also have fun baking your favourite desserts, and because you can separate flavours, you can easily please even the pickiest of eaters. And the best part, cheat sheets are zero waste and naturally non-stick, so you'll never have to scrub another sheet pan again. Hi, Chris here from Prepped. We are so excited to be back on Kickstarter with our 4th product. We created cheat sheets to reinvent sheet pan cooking and make it easier and more enjoyable to cook in the oven every single day. We've already started tooling, but we need your help to move into production. So please back us and let's make home cooking better together.
Hi, I'm Iran, industrial designer and plant lover. I've spent the last 3 years researching and testing materials, plants, and prototypes to create a living, breathing product. Meet the Taro Planter. My mission was not only to design a beautiful piece, but a solution that overcomes the 2 main reasons plants die: underwatering and overwatering. Terra Planter overcomes these deadly scenarios. In addition, it doesn't need soil, only water. It's that easy. Water goes inside the vessel and the plant grows on the outside. The structure of the material is solid, yet porous. Water is slowly diffused through it and is held by the cells, giving the plant time to drink. These cells are also the perfect home for seeds. Simply spread seeds into the cells and watch them come to life. We designed this microtexture to provide extra grip for the plant roots to hold on tight. And since the roots are on the surface, they have constant access to both water and air. You can even reuse the Taro Planter as many times as you like. It's the next generation of the planter, and it opens up a whole new world of growing options. You can rub spores onto the surface, wrap a climbing plant around it, use rubber bands to mount plant roots onto the surface, or cover it with seeds of your choice and just let life happen. The plant and the Taro Planter become one. We need your help to bring the Taro Planter to life. Join us.